Jai Hind everyone. I am A.N.O. Preeti Swami from Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh and Chandigarh Directorate. And today we are here for a special video as we have to shoot exclusively with our delegates from UK. We also have a cadet who is the YP sponsor. So I just wanted to ask you that since you are here, so what type of experience you are feeling? Please, anybody can share?
It's been a great experience getting to know cadets from all around the world, especially our sponsor cadet here from India has really welcomed us into the culture. It's been a great experience so far, Mal.
Okay, and what about anyone else who can share?
It's a great way to learn about other people and their cultures and religions, and it's great to experience it firsthand, to see it for ourselves and get to be in the country to learn all about it.
Okay, great. So, yeah.
I've also really enjoyed seeing the different tourist places like the Taj Mahal. They were really, really good as well.
Okay, so you are enjoying the weather, the food and anything else which has actually hold your heart you want to share? Anyone from the back? Any experience?
I just love the sense of community and the fact that you lot have welcomed us so well into it.
Okay, so would you like to come again in future?
Yeah,
Sure?
definitely.
So I want to ask you that what is your experience, because for the first time you are a YP sponsor for the UK delegate. So what is your experience?
The experience is great so far, and I'm enjoying my time with all these amazing people. And as we say, the cooperation is from both the sides. They are all very cooperative, and I'm getting to know their culture, their about their country, their language, their traditions. So it is a great exposure and experience for any NCC cadet.
Okay, thank you so much for sparing your time. See you very soon, next time in YP again. Thank you.
Thank you, Mom.
Jai Hind. Sri Lanka, yes. So I just wanted to ask you that since you are in YP, so what is your experience? And can you share with us?
It has been a great pleasure to join in the youth exchange program this year, and it has been a great experience to explore India. So it's wonderful to be here in India.
Okay. Anyone else who would like to share that what type of a feeling you are having in coming to India? Yeah.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
It's a very marvelous experience, and we never experienced that.
Okay.
And your hospitality is very well,
Thank you.
and we are so happy about that.
Great. And what about you, cadet? So what is your experience?
I got chance to host my Sri Lankan cadets, especially these 12 cadets were so wonderful, and I'm so grateful. These people hospitality is too good. They filled my heart, and especially I've got to know so much about their culture, the Canyon dance, about the deserts, the cuisines, everything. And not just Sri Lanka, but here we got 21 nations. So much of interaction and exposure. I'm so grateful. Thank you.
I would like to hear from you both also, because your attire, your dress is marvelous. Can you please say something?
Here we are representing our culture, the Candian dance, and about the youth exchange program. It's a very great experience exploring the India and meeting a lot of people.
Yeah.
And it's wonderful for a new experience.
Let me ask from the gorgeous cadet. Yes, what about you?
India is awesome.
Yeah.
This is the first time we dance in the international platform.
Okay.
And their India food is awesome. And
Awesome. Okay. Is it spicy?
No, it's okay.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much. Would you like to come again to India? Yes. So can we have a good call for India? Would you like to come again? Yes. Thank you so much. Jai Hind. So today we are here with the YP delegates from Malaysia, truly Asia. So let's explore the inner beauty of Malaysia through the people, delegates. Let's ask them, how do you feel coming here to India?
Very excited because it's a country I've never been to and never expected to come.
Okay, so you are excited. And what about you?
I like the history here very much. There's so many thousands of years of history, thousands of years of empire, so many different cultures, so many different dances, so much food,
Okay.
so much architecture. It's so nice.
Okay. So, will you again want to come to India?
Yes,
Yes.
of course.
And
Especially in the winter season.
in the winter season, okay, surely. Yes. So, what is your takeaway or what is your experience sharing for this?
I've been to India multiple times, and every time I come here, it managed to put a smile on my face and a wow in my mouth. It's amazing.
Okay.
It's a beautiful country.
Nice. Okay. I want to hear from our YP sponsor. So, what is your experience? What you felt after interacting with them?
ma'am. I never expected. They are very good people. I got to know about a lot of things from their side. I made a lot of friends. So thank you guys. Thank you.
So thank you so much, and surely we are going to see you next time in the YP. Jai Hind.
Bye bye.
जय हिंद एवरीवन. सो वी आर विद द डेलीगेट्स ऑफ मॉरिशस. आइए उनसे जानते हैं कि उनको यहाँ आके कैसा लगा, क्या फीलिंग्स है और वो क्या यहाँ से लेके जा रहे हैं. सो एनीबडी वुड लाइक टू शेयर एक्सपीरियंस? यस.
तो हम भारत सरकार को तहे दिल से आभार व्यक्त करते हैं कि हमको एक ऐसा चांस दिया. हम बहुत खुश हैं कि इस एनसीसी प्रोग्राम में कल्चरल एक्सचेंज और यूथ एक्सचेंज में भाग लेने का एक अवसर मिला. वी आर ऑल वेरी हैप्पी टू पार्टिसिपेट. वी हैव मेट delegates from all over the world, and we have met friendship I'm sure will last a lifetime. Even these people who haven't met as friends are now as a family. Family.
Okay, so what about you? You're looking very pretty in this colorful dress. What is your experience here?
I think this is once in a lifetime opportunity that we couldn't have ever thought of to live with people around the world. और इतना अच्छा संबंध है, अपना सा लगता है यहाँ पे. It's all amazing.
And we can see one gorgeous lady in Indian attire. Would you like to share? And everybody would like to listen from you. Please.
को छोटा भारत कहते हैं. यहाँ पे आके हमको अपना जैसा लग रहा है, घर जैसा लग रहा है और जी करता है बार बार आते रहे.
Thank you so much. And now from the last line, from YP sponsor, what is your experience sharing?
I am very glad that I met these people. They are like, it seems to be like they are my people. Like इतना अच्छा इनसे मिलके लगा. ऐसा नहीं लग रहा है कि मैं दूसरे देश से मिल रहा. ऐसा लग रहा है ये अपने लोग हैं.
Thank you.
हमारे पूर्वज बिहार से हैं.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
So will you like to come next time?
Yeah.
Thank you. We welcome you in advance. Thank you.